Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for December 2014. Merry Christmas, Sagittarians. We begin the month with three planets, that is Sun, Mercury and Venus, and they're in your own house, Sagittarians, and they're activating the part of your chart that has to do about you, yourself, your dreams, your goals, your desires, how it is that you want the society to view you, what it is that you want to project yourself, about yourself to the world at large. And this is a time where you are going to be more inclined to be speaking up about matters that you've only been mulling about so far, Sagittarians. It's quite a brilliant start to the month, to December, I must say. Your disposition is going to be more intellectual than usual, and your self-expression is going to come quite easy to you. You are sharper than usual, more observant and more inclined to live in the head. Relationships with siblings, neighbors, classmates and casual friends may become more prominent during this point of time. It is also likely that you will initiate discussions during this period, evaluate your experience, your appearance and the impact that you have on those around you, and make contact with others rather than stay chained to one particular activity. And you're also going to be more inclined to talk about yourself and your personal past now, Sagittarians. This may also be a restless time when it's sort of difficult to turn the thinking process off, and it would be better to relax. So Sagittarians, though a lot of you are even though Sagittarian is, the famous archer and sort of is one of the most, I would say after Aquarians, one of the most free-spirited signs. But strangely, you are a very private person as well. You don't really like to talk about your personal stuff. But this time in December, you're going to be finding yourself, chatting about your personal stuff or about your past with, a lot of ease, and you're not going to be feeling shy or awkward or hesitant about it. And also there is a lot of focus on inward growth as well. Some of you may also externally change your appearance. Maybe there's a complete wardrobe makeover, maybe just the way that you speak, the way that you present yourself to the world. It can you can just change that. Also, as far as your self-expression is concerned, like I said, so if all along you've been this quiet person who's not been really expressing yourself, you may find yourself articulating quite well, or even expressing yourself to a loved one quite well. And spontaneity of the transit is quite the highlight, beginning of the month, and you are quite ready to put your past behind, Sagittarius, during this time and start a new personal cycle. This is also a time wherein you will be wanting to do something new and pioneering, and you may want to sort of just go off in a direction which you have been thinking about it but not as yet sort of ventured into it. So it's a good time for you, Sagittarians. Now Jupiter is going retrograde on December 8th, and it is highlighting going rather retrograding in a part of your chart that has to do with your belief systems, and it has to do with your higher learning. Now Jupiter is a planet of expansion, and when it goes retrograde, so traditionally if you were to look at the planets that went retrograde, it was looked upon with a lot of negativity, and it was said that, oh, it can have a crippling effect on an individual. But it's really an inward energy. It's really a time where you need to be rethinking, you need to be re-looking at your plans, and you need to be sort of just redoing a lot of research around this time. And this particular house, this house is you rule, Sagittarians rule this particular house, and the natural, though the planetary ruler of this particular house is Jupiter. And your personal belief systems, your sense of adventure, exploration, religious beliefs, personal philosophy, higher education, long distance travel, morals, foreign languages, cultures, personal truths, publishing and commerce all come under this house. Now, while a retrograde can limit your expansion, it can challenge your hope, but it can also help you sort of question your philosophy of life, your moral values, and make you more wiser and spiritually richer. And Jupiter as a planet, its influence is to expand and enlarge your personal landscapes. And the Jupiter transits normally they allow growth and expansion of consciousness involving the conditions and natures, of course, of the planets and how they are involved. And in your case, it's going to be all looking inwardly and growing more, I would say, growing the spirituality roots more deeper into you. And also this is a time wherein that you're going to be looking at your life philosophy, some things that you have may sort of stood by for years, and maybe they need a change, maybe you need to let go of them, and you need to be adopting newer life philosophies. Now after this entire looking internally and introspection, we have Uranus, the awakener, who comes and goes direct on the 21st. And Uranus is going to be coming in, waking you up in a part of your chart that has to do with love, it has to do with creativity, and it has to do with children. And Uranus is all about unpredictability, it's about chaos, it's about freedom, and a lot of the newer technology as well is ruled by Uranus. And during this cycle you will be drawn towards unconventional ways of expressing yourself and your creativity, and your hobbies can be out of the ordinary, and so can your relationships with children and with lovers be, depending on how this cycle of course is affecting your personal chart. Now there can be sudden developments or surprises in your romantic life are a part of the course, especially with Uranus being here. And this is a time where you will free yourself of any inhibition, personal inhibitions that may have been a part of your life in the past, Sagittarians, and you are going to be very spontaneous as far as your personal expression is concerned. It's a joyful, somewhat eccentric position for Uranus, and casual love affairs that have grown stale may be left behind now. You may also attract unusual romances or romantic partners into your life during this cycle. So quite an exciting time for you. Of course, for those of you who committed, be careful that you don't get into anything which you may regret later. So overall a great month, Sagittarians. We're beginning with a lot of focus on you yourself and what is it, the change that you are requiring, and I think a lot of focus on self-expression as well is there. Have a brilliant December. It's been lovely speaking with you. I'll see you again next year, and thank you so much for watching.